Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Angel Piggy from Roblox. So let's get started. To draw this cute piggy, let's first start by drawing her head. So I'm just going to come right here and start with a big curve. So I'm just aiming to draw this kind of ovalish circle. I'm just going to bring it out nice and wide on the sides. And go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There, so that's the basic shape you want to try to draw, and then from there we're going to come to the center and we're going to draw another oval for the snout area. So I'll start about right here, nice and big, about right here, and nicely in the center. I'm just going to go out just like my outside shape and draw this oval. There. Make this part a little bit rounder. Okay, so then on the inside, let's draw two more ovals. And so about right here, I'll draw two more ovals for the snout area. For the snout. And now for the eyes. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve towards the side. And I'm going to round it off on the top. And same thing on the other side. So about right here, curve and connect with a curve. There. And then there's cheeks, of course. So about in this area, I'm just going to draw oval, kind of at a slant. And same thing here. So about right here. Round this off a tiny bit more so it doesn't look so sharp. Okay, so now we have that, and let's draw Piggy's ears. So about in this area, I'm just going to pop out a curve. And same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag a point across. So approximately the same area. And once again, just draw a big curve and connect. And Piggy is pretty much done. And now let's draw her halo. So let's come up here, since she is an angel, of course. Right between the ears, I'm going to go ahead and start with a curve. So we're basically aiming to draw an oval. We'll start off with a curve and then round off the sides and then connect it at the top with another curve. And then to make it look like a halo, let's come over here and draw another curve. Just follow your top. And we're going to draw another oval on the inside. So then this part right here, I'm just going to extend this curve out. There. Okay, so then from there, let's see, let's draw the body. So we're centering Piggy's body once again. So let's come about right here and here. And on this side, she has a hand, so let me come down on this side first, just a little bit. And on this side, I'm going to stop, bring out her arm right here, and this one's going to come down to about right there. About right here, I'll stop and bring this around because she is holding a staff. So we're going to have to start to draw that. So I'm going to come right about right there. Give it a little angle line and connect it with a curve for her hand, for her fingers. And through these fingers, we're going to draw the staff. So using this guide right here, I'm going to bring this out start to draw her staff. This is going to come through, draw the end of it. And so just remember, whatever angle you end up using, just make sure it goes all the way through. So because I'm using a Sharpie and I can't erase, I'm going to, or you know what, let's do some erasing because it makes it a little bit easier. So I'm going to come right here, kind of like drawing a big toothpick, and I'm going to go right across. So I want to show you how you would draw just to make it a little bit easier, because it is tricky. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw this right across. Then from there, I'm going to draw this winding, kind of like this snake, right, that winds around it. So let's go up, and then we're going to bring it down to the other side. Then we're going to do the same thing on this side to create that shape. And then we're going to do it again one more time. So come down, swirl it, and thicken it up. So we're going to come, I'll come in here later and erase these lines. Okay, so then let's draw the snake part right here. So let's come out. We're continuing our staff still. Bring it out. And about right here, I'll just end it. And curl it all the way back. There. Okay, so now we can finally finish Piggy's dress. Come all the way through. About right here. Yeah, about the same level, about right there. I'm going to stop and just going to curve around, and back. So I'm just aiming to make it lower right here in the center and then back up. Now for the other hand, once again, just curve it down, and we're just going to make it nice and simple and just tuck a curve right under here. Just an indication of her hand. Okay, so let's see here. You can come in here if you like, some crease lines. Or you can do that when you're coloring it so it's not so harsh. And now for the wings. So let's pop them up, come about right here. Then we're going to go up, curve it down, and out. About that much. And then I'm just going to go ahead and bring this all in, thickening the, and down. That's what you want to start off with first. And then from there, we're going to start to build the bottom. So let's come out, and I'm just going to start to curve. And I'm just building this curve that comes all the way back. So just keep that in mind as you build these curves, these feathers. As I get here, I'm going to get smaller and in. And then there's another layer right here that you can add if you like for the inside part. And now the other side. Okay, so let's drag some points across. It won't be exactly the same, but we just want to make it approximately the same size as best as possible. So I'm going to go up, and I'm going to drag this point so I make sure I don't go too high up, about right there. And round it off just like the other side, and out. So I'll take a step back just to kind of see about the same width, and then just like the other side, we're going to come in here and thicken this part up. And then now the feathers in the bottom here. So once again, we're just aiming for a curve that comes in. And like I said, don't worry, it's not going to be the same. Just want an approximate shape and size. So, and in there. And then once again, the inside right here. And Okay, yay, we did it. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this angel piggy. So when you're coloring the eyes, this one would be like that glowing blue, and then you can put some blue right here, but then just leave this part white. And of course, let's add a heart right here to make her my angel piggy from Roblox. And please make sure, if you love these piggies, to check out my playlist that I've created for them. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.